Bring the soles of the feet to touch for butterfly pose. Let those hips start to open up. Reach the right arm up, left arm back. If the fingers meet, great. If not, just grab your shirt. Switching sides now. Notice if one side feels a bit tighter than the other. Totally normal. Reach over that right leg. Feel the side of the body and the inner thigh opening up together. And make sure to go the other way. Really get into those corners of the low back. Unwind and switch. Left arm under right. Breathe into the space between the shoulder blades. Interlace the fingers behind the back. Lift the chest, lift the gaze, and take a big, glorious breath. Switching sides, left hand to right ear. Soften the shoulders down, away from the ears. And to the left. Grow tall as you inhale and twist a bit deeper as you exhale. Right leg long, left foot in. Find that nice, solid foundation for our final stretches. Switching legs, left leg long, reach and breathe. Notice the length you're creating in the back of the leg. Just rolling the head slowly from side to side. Letting the weight of the head create the stretch. Circle the wrists. We carry a lot of tension here. Give them some love and attention. Large circles with the shoulders. Really exaggerate the movement to get into those tight spots. Cactus arms. Open the chest wide. Take a deep breath into the center of the heart. Big inhale, reach for the stars. Exhale, let the arms float down. Beautiful work today. Slowly rolling down. Feeling each part of the spine connect with the earth. We'll inhale in deeply through the nose together. Feel the belly expand into the hands. Slowly bring the palms to the earth. Toes pointing forward. And then exhale, tilt it back the other way. Feel the sacrum become flush with the earth. And then we'll switch. Left knee into the chest. Squeeze it in and breathe. Now both knees hug in. Give yourself a little low back massage by rocking side to side. And now take the legs to the left. Find that same ease and release on this side. Bring the knees wide, big toes to touch. We're going into an extended child's pose. Exhale, send the hips back. Melt the heart down and breathe into the low back. Reach over to the right. Find that length from the left hip to the fingertips. Take a gentle twist to the right. Keep the spine long and the heart open. And over to the left. Find that same length on the right side now. Keep both hips heavy on the mat. Unwind and switch. Left arm under right. Notice if this side feels a bit more open or closed. Interlace the hands behind the back. Open the chest and take a big deep breath into the heart. Inhale, reach the arms up high. Reach for the sky and grow an inch taller. Take a gentle twist to the right. Grow tall through the crown of the head as you inhale. And to the left. Exhale and find a little more depth in the twist. Keep the spine long. Walk the hands forward. Keep the spine long. Breathe into the low back and the hips. Drop the chin to the chest. Feel the back of the neck and the tops of the shoulders open up. Inhale, tilt the pelvis forward. Feel that space under the low back open up. Hug the right knee in toward the shoulder. Keep the shoulders heavy on the mat. Now both knees hug in. Give yourself a little low back massage by rocking left to right. Take the arms wide and let the knees melt over to the right. Keep that left shoulder grounded. Roll to the side. Use the hands to help you press up to a seat. No rush. Inhale, drop the belly, look forward. Exhale, round through the spine. Feel the vertebrae opening. Exhale, thread the arm through. Rest the shoulder down and breathe into the space behind the heart. Walk the hands forward for puppy pose. Melt the heart down and breathe into the armpits. Slowly roll it up. One vertebra at a time. Let the head be the last thing to lift. Just a little sway here to start. Loosening up the sides of the low back. Nice and easy. Hands behind the back, lift the chest, and open the heart. Take a big breath in. Twist to the right. Think of growing taller with every inhale. Find that length. And to the left. Exhale as you find a little more space in the spine. Just a gentle ring out. Big inhale, reach for the sky. Exhale, let the arms float back down. Beautiful work. Namaste, everyone. Thank you for sharing your practice with me. I'll see you next time. Feet wide and just windshield wiper the knees back and forth. Gentle release for the low back. And to the other side. Left knee over to the right. Let the twist happen naturally with the breath. Finally, just rest. Extend the legs, let the feet fall open. You've earned this moment of stillness. Namaste. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon on the mat. Take care.